What would happen if I didn't clean or tidy my house for 24 hours? Good morning everyone, it's Liliana from Vanilla Canela here, and Alex. Say hello, Alex.
Hello.
So today is the first day of the summer holidays and we are just about to go out of the door to go to the cafe and chill out in the shade because it's super hot over here. So anyway, I decided that I was going to not clean and tidy for 24 hours and see what happens. Okay, the only exception is my in-laws have just left and they stay in Alex's room, so I've taken out his bedding and washed it because, you know, experiments aside, my child comes first. So anyway, I'll see you guys when I come back. Hello, so it's 2:20. We've just come back from having lunch with friends and basically we sat around under some trees with the kids and it was lovely, and we've got to go back out at 3 o'clock for a birthday party, but I wanted to show you how the house is looking so far. So here we are. I have not emptied the dishwasher, so it's still full of clean dishes. Alex and I just brought a load of stuff with us. We were out. I have to empty the washing machine. That's the clothing that I washed from Alex. Alex's bedding. And here, so far, so good. Alex is having a ice lolly to cool down because it's very, very hot, isn't it, babe? Yeah. Our bedroom is probably the hardest thing was to walk away without making the bed this morning, picking up my headphones. Alex's bedroom, I will make his bed later once all the bedding is dry. Okay, so it's 8:30 at night. We've had our dinner and it's been tough. It's been really hard. Sorry, I'm all wet because I was just splashing water on my face because it's boiling hot. England is going through a massive heat wave and it's unbearable. But anyway, back to what I need to tell you, and my husband is finding it quite hard as well to not do stuff as he goes along. Little things like putting stuff in the bin or emptying the bins. Let me show you. So our recycling bin is overflowing. I've left stuff there from breakfast today. Empty stuff, all of this junk that I would normally put away. This is all the washing up we've made today. It's been a very weird day because we've had lunch out and then tonight for dinner we just had like leftover quiche and pasties and salad and things like that, so not a lot. Yep, so this is how the kitchen is looking. So the living room seen a little bit more damage, as you can see. Still toys around, and then there's stuff on the table here and stuff on the floor and stuff to go up. Good morning everyone. So here it is, 24 hours have passed and this is how the house looks. This is the kitchen. My little love there. And it's breakfast stuff. There's plates with Lego. You know, the usual. Here's our bedroom. It's not too bad. Alex's bedroom. The bathroom. The thing is, you can't really tell, but let me see if I can show you. You can see that mat is really, really dirty. Let me see if I can show you. Oh, it doesn't really come out. Let me see. You can see like marks and stuff there. So after 24 hours, the house is not ridiculously messy. I think the thing that bothers me the most is the kitchen and the plates everywhere. Everything else is not too bad, to be honest. So cleanup is about to start. I've put on yesterday's clothes, because I'm going to be sweating with this heat, all this mess to clean up. Now, if you want to watch the cleanup, don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell so you don't miss when the cleanup comes out. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.